YouTube Forex traders, it is your favorite transparent Forex trader, Earn with Todd. And today I want to show you the best and absolute best trading strategy for NASDAQ 100 in the first 2 minutes of the New York Stock Exchange Open. If you want to see a real trader teaching you actually real things with real live trades, you know, this is the channel for you. I don't go back on TradingView and mark shit up trying to review trades. No, I'm going to show you the trade 100% live. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I actually was able to crush 4 Rs within 30 seconds of the opening bell using a very easy strategy. It's actually easy enough to explain. What you're going to do is, as soon as the New York Stock Exchange opens, you're going to put a line right at the open price, and you're going to use that line and have that for a target for profit zones. So I'm going to show you how I was able to bag $70 in just 30 seconds. And there might be people out there, oh, Todd, $70, big deal. Well, you tell me what fucking job can pay you $70 in 30 seconds. I'll be waiting, so drop the comment down below if you can find a job that can make you $70 in just 30 seconds. Now, I'm also going to be showing you a second trade where I spotted the absolute most perfect W formation. Took me about 10 seconds. I was like, guys, I think I see a W. But there was going to be a couple things we were going to wait for. Of course, we were going to wait for confirmations of price making new highs, of the current consolidation area we were in, and we were also laser focused on what Apple was going to do. We were waiting for Apple to break a certain zone, and once it did that, we were going to be in the buy for NASDAQ 100%, and from then on, we would ride NASDAQ up to around 15,200 and take some good profits. Then, the third trade I'm going to show you is actually a trade that was an absolute heartbreaker, okay? Get this, I was stopped by 7 pips last night trying to take a sell on NASDAQ with an epic 1-hour bearish divergence setup on a major resistance zone, and I was stopped by 7 pips. It was going to be a 10R trade. So at the end of this video, you're going to see how I narrowly missed that 10R trade. Now, if you get any value at any point in time of any of my videos, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Why should you subscribe? Because I am the most transparent Forex trader on YouTube right now. I show all my losses. I show all my wins. I got nothing to hide. Besides the $1 million house I live in, which, you know what? You don't need to see the lifestyle because I don't pull any bullshit like that. It don't matter where I live. It don't matter what my background is. What matters is what I'm actually going to show my viewers. And that is wins, and that is losses, and no bullshit. So let's get to it, and let's pull up those clips. Be ready for that open retest, though. 15,200. Not a FOMO buy either. Be looking for that open retest, though. That could be a kangaroo tail. If this closes as a kangaroo, I'm selling. Gotta close this one, though. 20 seconds. We need to go a little bit lower, though. It looks like it's definitely running out of a little momentum, though. I don't think this is the candle to sell on, though, obviously. I want to see some wicks on this zone right here. If a new high is made off this zone, I think it's going to go 15,300. I think that's a sell. I think it's going to do the open. Yeah, I'm going to break even on that right away. Have TP right at the open, right at the open. Come on. Got to go a little bit more. Right to the open. Fucking smash it. Let's go. Come on. We're break even on it. Open price is right at 15,204. 15,204 we need. Come on, 15,204. Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go! You like that, chosen one? I know you're looking at that data right now. That's how you time NASDAQ open scalp like a fucking boss, yo. Like, come on. Come on. We just smashed fucking 4 hours in like 30 seconds. On a free fucking stream, yo. On a free stream. That's how you start it. That's how you start it. What you guys just saw is the perfect strategy for the first 2 minutes. Do we see a W? I see a W. I see a clear W. I see it. Do you guys see it too? Ooh, this would be an epic trade. This would be an epic buy setup. I said I was done trading, but I see a perfect W. We know price is loving here. It's loving it. I'm buying if we break these wicks. And TP is going to be 15,200. We'll drop 4 standards on the LMFX account. I'm buying if we break these wicks. TP will be 15,200. I got to remember it's like 20 pips, 200 pips off of the real price. We're going to take this W trade if we break the Masala 1992. Thanks for that follow here. You see, I know a lot of people would probably FOMO buy right there. They would FOMO buy that candle and get owned instead of waiting to see if price would break it. FOMO buyers just got owned. I'm not going to fall for that trap. I see a big green candle right for that. I want to see it break it. I'm not going to enter the buy yet. All right, let's look at Apple. Apple slowed down a little bit. That's the 5 minute. Let's get to the 1 minute, though. Apple's going to give us a clue of what to do. Apple, I believe, is going to fill the gap. I think we're going to create a giant W every time I say I'm done trading for a morning. I think this is going to be a high quality setup. I think Apple has a good chance to retest the open price. I think it has a real good chance. Alright, I should think about this a little more logically, not just jump in yet. I want to see Apple. I want to see Apple break here. Once Apple breaks here, I'll feel more comfortable about entering a buy for NASDAQ. I think we're gonna get there for a good quality buy. I don't think it's a buy quite yet, but I do think this will be. If you're down today and this trade goes well, I think this is the one that puts us back. But I want to be careful because if Apple rejects here, then we're definitely going down. Let's see from here. You got a little bit of 1 minute divergence on Force Index also. So guys, we got two divergences going on, RSI and Force Index. Apple has to bust this zone. Once it goes above here, I think that's the buy signal. Patience, patience. Plus we got our bullish king retail. So 3 confirmations, but we're not quite on support. All right, Apple trying to push. I think it's a buy now. Yep, I'm gonna put a bigger buy in right now on LMFX bonus account. I am in. 15,200 is TP. Yeah, Apple's gonna go up and touch the highs. I think 15,200 should be smashed. Why would Apple just waste time not breaking that? Not to go up. Gonna make a new high. Somebody just bought up 30 contracts for a buy. But look, we got people putting sells in it. 15,155, like right here, right away. Come on, we need a whale to come in here and just like scoop up 100 contracts. That'll make our job a lot easier. I'm not liking this pattern, but ooh, I think we got bearish divergence also. Bearish divergence, king of retail. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of the trade if it goes below this wick right here. I'm getting the fuck out because we got bearish divergence with the bearish king of retail, and we're on the zone. But it's not the best king of retail. That's the problem. But it is on some pretty good divergence. I'm not gonna put my stop in because I don't want a fucking broker to see where my stop's at. They don't know where my stop's at in my head. As soon as I put that stop down, they know where it's at. And I'm not doing it. Carlos says, never put a SL on a scalp. Yeah, I got owned last night. I got stopped by 7 pips, which was the spread. Spread was 10. Yep, I got took out last night. I was pissed. Go back to that. I was pissed because it was a 10R trade. I was risking $33 on it for $330. And I swear to God, my stop got hit because I had my stop right there. You guys, if you got out early, you shouldn't have got out early. You should have waited for that wick because TP may hit. It may hit. I wanted my TP to be 15,200, but I could back it off and keep it up at this top here, which should be $160. And where would my stop would have been like right here. Yeah, so it's only like a 2R trade if I do that. If I let it hit 15,200 and basically only getting 1R, I fucking hate 1R trades. I hate 1R trades. I hate them with a passion. Alright, I will put my stop in finally. If you're scalping, I don't think you should have a stop loss right away. Mental stop like I did. We saw why last night was a perfect example. $33 trade would have been a $330 profit. Come on, we're aiming for the pre-market highs. Since I'm this close, I will put in a break even finally. Perfect W, guys. I fucking called it. Like, I called this shit. I called this shit and I do this shit for free. My trading is 10 times better than it was last year at this time. About 100 pips away, 90 pips away. Apple might reject here though. We're so close to TP. I might close now. Yeah, guys, fuck. I'm gonna close 108. Yeah, I closed 108. And the heartbreaker, yo, that heartbreaker. We were a micro pip away from our TP. That would have been another 160.